just seen 100 bottles coming from the back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and ooh, I was dancing. I'm a little tired. Give me a second. Basically, Rihanna has Fenty. Rihanna has Fenty Beauty, which she's had for a while now, and I don't get me wrong, I love makeup. I personally don't wear makeup, so I'm not gonna talk about that. But I like makeup, I just don't actually wear it. So like, I've never really had a reason to go out and buy Fenty Beauty, even though I've looked at like what I looked at like her body lavas, but I never really had a reason to buy it. But then once I heard my homegirl was doing a Fenty Skin, you know, I had to be the first hoe to check that shit out. So I made sure that when I found out you could do pre-orders, which means like before the actual launch, the launch was like a Friday, but it opened up for some people on Wednesdays if you signed up early. So I was able to buy it like 2 days early because I just had to make sure I got it before they sold out. I don't even know if they're sold out now. Let me go see. But yeah, so I looked on the website. It's actually not sold out, which means I didn't have to get it early, but you know I'm all about my skin over here, so I had to get this shit anyway. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and open it right up. I thought it was gonna be like some special packaging, but it's really not, and you wouldn't even know it's honestly Fenty Skin, which I think is good because when Kylie Cosmetics first came out, people were actually stealing the packages because you knew it was Kylie Cosmetics because it literally said Kylie Cosmetics all over the box. So people literally knew it was her stuff. So I think Rihanna took like the smarter way with this packaging, but maybe it'll be something exciting on the inside. I'm just mad. Oh, pull tab to open. Okay, sis. But I'm mad because this came like 3 days ago and I've been waiting to open this so I can make a video. But when you open it, you just have your billing slip. It says Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin across the top. I don't know if you guys can I get the focus? No, I can't, but it says Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin across the top. I'll try to like insert a picture if I can. The cleanser was only, I got the cleanser, so it was only $25, and then with tax it came out like $26, so I fucks with it. So yeah. So this is it right here. First looks, I will say I kind of love this. I can't tell if this is a gray or if this is a purple, but I do like this shade. I think it's a gray, and it's actually kind of gray shade that I like in my room, so I might have to take some notes, sis. But so it says, I'm gonna insert a whole bunch of close-ups. So it's just, so this is the total cleanser. It's supposed to remove all, it's called a remove all cleanser. I'm stupid. So let's see what she says on the back. She says it's hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying. Daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Oh, that's another language. No wonder I can't read it. Directions. Use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, rinse. For external use only, use as directed. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop in. Oh, look at that. It had a little seal so you know it hasn't been opened yet. Okay, she really cares about her packaging. I see you, sus. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and hop on into the bathroom and try this hoe out. Guys is on the beat. Wait a minute, because I was literally recording this and I just seen that Rihanna did her shit, bitch, because this shit, the top don't even come off, bitch. It just twists. You just twist and you just whoop. Okay, sis. Okay, so I just washed my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys like what I felt while I was washing my face. First thing I would say, like across the board, I would give her an A, because I can tell this was not something she just said, okay, I have a beauty line, I want to do a skincare line next. I can tell when she said that she really cares about people's skin and wanting to better skin in general. I can truly feel it when I use this. Now, don't get me wrong, I was gonna buy the whole set, but I was like, I literally have a whole facial set, so there's no reason for me to go spend $150 and go buy all of her Fenty skin when I literally already have a skincare routine that works for me. Now, with that being said, if you're looking for a new skincare routine, I will definitely say it's worth giving it a try. But before you do that, if you really want to wait and wait for somebody else to try it out first, I'm gonna do 2 month. I'm probably gonna do like for 2 to 3 months. I'm gonna be using this every single day, probably morning and night. I gotta see how I'm gonna work into my routine first. And then after that, I'll come back and I'll do another video. I'm gonna put it on my calendar so I remember. I should just remember. I'm not gonna put it on my calendar. That's a lie. But yeah, so I will say I do love this. It's a nice facial cleanser. It is on the thicker side, so I don't think you need as much. I did put a lot in my hand when I was using it, just because when you first use cleansers, you never know how they're going to actually come out. So I did use quite a bit, but it is thick. So I will say it's, how do you say it? More is less. So you really don't need a whole lot for this. Also, I will say, when she like really put thought into this, the top does not come off. So it's not one of those where you pop the top off and you can just squeeze it into your hand. It's actually a twist top, and the holes in the top, you just squirt it into your hand. So I thought that was really nice, because no cleanser I've ever used, and I've gone through so many cleansers, Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, I'm gonna say the Pedalin. That is not a cleanser. I don't know, I can't think of the name. But I know I've used Aveeno. I've used a whole bunch of cleansers, and I have super sensitive skin. And that's why I really wanted to try it out and just see before I said anything. That's why I said give me 3 months before I recommend it to you guys, because my skin is known to like burn after I use certain products. So that's why I said it's really good for my first try to say. I will say off of the first use, I'll say you should use it, but I'll really say wait 3 months for a good review. But it's worth the money. It's worth how it makes your skin feel. It's a nice, after washing it off, you're left with a nice, clean, soft, radiant skin. I mean, look at my skin right now. It looks, if you look at the video before and after, I really didn't do nothing much. It's literally only been like, I'm not gonna lie, I was in the bathroom for like 20 minutes. But between 20 minutes, the sun didn't change that much. I don't have my studio light on, so just imagine, like, my skin looks more radiant, it looks more vibrant. I did put a moisturizer on afterwards, but just moisturizers only do half the work. You have to have the cleanser and the moisturizer to mix it in. So I can't honestly wait to try more of her products. I'm gonna see. I do need a toner. I don't have a toner. I just use Vaseline, or I use like Fade Milk. So I cannot wait to try a toner if she has one. If not, Kylie's Skin, get ready, because bitch, I'm coming for you for a toner. But yeah, so I definitely will say this gets an A+ on my fucking scale. I really recommend this, and I'll say use it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I lied, it is sold out. I went on the website. When you go on the website, it just tells you the price. Until you click on it is when you find out it's sold out. So yeah, it's sold out. I'm pretty sure all her stuff is sold out, but I'm gonna keep up when it gets restocked. So you guys should keep up when it gets restocked, and you should definitely get you some Fenty skin, because I absolutely love it. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's just ITSSCAVI. It's Savy. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys again next week. Peace. Okay, turn this shit off.